Crazy upcoming gadgets of 2024. In 2024, brace for revolutionary gadgets like quantum computing smartphones, seamlessly blending quantum processing power with everyday tasks. Augmented reality contact lenses redefine visual experiences, overlaying digital information onto the real world. Hyper-compact personal drones boast advanced AI for intuitive control, offering breathtaking perspectives. Embrace the future with these cutting-edge innovations. Augmented reality (AR) devices. Continued advancements in augmented reality may lead to new AR devices or improvements in existing ones. This could include AR glasses with enhanced features for both consumer and professional use. Foldable and rollable displays. Flexible display technology has been evolving, and we might see more mainstream adoption of foldable or rollable displays in smartphones, tablets, or even laptops. Artificial intelligence in gadgets. Integration of AI in various gadgets, making them smarter and more adaptive to user preferences. This could apply to smartphones, smart home devices, and other consumer electronics. Health and wellness tech. Advances in health monitoring devices, wearables, and smart textiles that focus on providing users with more comprehensive health data and insights. 5G-enabled devices. With the ongoing rollout of 5G networks, we can expect more devices to leverage the high-speed and low-latency capabilities of 5G connectivity, including smartphones, IoT devices, and laptops. Quantum computing advances. While not consumer gadgets in the traditional sense, developments in quantum computing could have a profound impact on various industries, potentially leading to new applications and services. Electric and autonomous vehicles. Advancements in electric vehicle technology and the continued development of autonomous driving features in cars and drones. Advanced robotics. More sophisticated and versatile robots for various purposes, including domestic assistance, healthcare, and industrial applications. Smart home integration. Further integration of smart home devices and the expansion of the Internet of Things (IoT) ecosystem, allowing for seamless communication between various gadgets. Wearable technology. Evolution in wearable tech beyond just smartwatches and fitness tracker. This might include innovative forms of wearable gadgets with enhanced features. Environmental tech. Gadgets focused on sustainability and environmental impact, such as solar-powered devices, energy-efficient electronics, and eco-friendly materials. Remember to check the latest sources and tech news for the most accurate and up-to-date information on gadgets and technological advancements in 2020.